All right, so in this video, we're going to practice some word problems. So we have rental car charges. Usually when we go to rent a car, you will be charged a fee, right? There is a flat rate fee, like $30 or $29 or $50. Plus, they will charge you per mile, how many miles you drove, right? So we have this example: a car rental agency charges $29 and 99 cents per plus 39 cents per mile to rent a compact car. A customer rented a compact car and drove 220 miles. What will be the total charge? Well, first of all, we have like 220 mile here. So we have 220 mile. All right. So let's name like M as the number of mile, right? The number of miles. Right? And we have $29. We have 29. This statement we can change it to algebraic expression here, right? So we have like 29. We have like $29.99. Let me just do it again here. So we have like, all right. So we have. Let me just erase it. All right. So we have like 29.99 plus 0.39, right? Per means multiplication, mile, right? And we have M as present the mile here, right? So as we can see here, we get 29.99 plus that's addition, 0.39, right? And per, that's multiplication, and mile represents M. So we just change it to algebraic expression here, right? So we have like as we can see, we get like 29.99 plus 0.39 times M. And that's important because a word problem means we need to translate the phrase or the statement into like algebraic expression or equation or inequality. So we need to change it to numbers and sign, right? So that's important. Now, how many miles the customer drove, right? So this customer drove 220 miles, right? So in this case, we're going to substitute M. We're going to substitute M by 200, right? By 220, right? So we have like, so in case of M, instead of M, sorry, so it's going to be 220. That's going to be 220 now. It's going to be like 220, right? And how much it will cost if this customer drove 220. So it's going to be like 29. We're going to use PEMDAS. It's going to be like 29.99. So we're going to multiply first. So 0.29 times 220 will be 85.8. Will be 85. Right, will be 85.8. And we're going to add it to 29.99. So the person will pay $115.79, right? And that's how much will cost the person if the customer drove 220 miles. We get this question as part of a word problem. Susan has saved $40 to purchase a new mountain bike. She plans to save an additional $15 each week. How much money will Susan have saved after 6 weeks, right? So we have like 6 weeks here, right? So first of all, let's try to find a letter to represent weeks. Since we have weeks, it start with W, so we can just let W equals number of weeks. right? The number of weeks. So we have like in this case we have 40. We have $40 plus, right? So she's Susan saved $40 plus $15 each week, right? And she planned so $15 here, $15 each week, right? See, if I wanted to translate this one to algebraic expression, so it's gonna be 40 plus 15 per week or each week. That's gonna be a multiplication times W. All right, and that's important. That's goal. I just represent the statement to algebraic expression, right? So how much money will Susan have saved after 6 weeks, right? So it means we're gonna multiply. We're gonna substitute W with 6 here, right? It's gonna be like 15. It's gonna be 15 times 6, right? By using PEMDAS here, right, we're gonna be multiplication will go first, and 15 times 6, that will be 90, right? And we're gonna add it to 40. It's gonna be 130. So it's gonna be like $130, right? $130. So after 6 weeks, Susan will have saved $130.